We will start operations into London. We have secured a TCO approval from the government. We have slots presently with the Gatwick Airport. My name is Adedayo Olawi. I'm the Chief Commercial Officer for Uganda Airlines. We are here today at the World Travel Market, representing Uganda Airlines and the country of Uganda, as we continue our development for the airline and trying to establish and expand our network across the world. As you know, Uganda Airlines is a government-owned airline. We started operations in August of 2019. We have a fleet of 6 aircraft. Those are 2 A330-800 neo aircraft and 4 CLJ900 aircraft. We presently fly to 16 destinations in 12 countries. In Kenya, we fly to Nairobi and Mombasa. In Tanzania, we fly to Kilimanjaro, Dar es Salaam, and Zanzibar. We fly to Bujumbura in Burundi. We fly to Mogadishu in Somalia. We fly to Kinshasa in Congo. We fly to Johannesburg in South Africa. We fly to Lagos and Abuja in Nigeria. We fly to Lusaka in Zambia, which is one of our new routes. Also Harare in Zimbabwe. We will start operations into London. We have secured a TCO approval from the government. We have slots presently with the Gatwick Airport. We will be starting 4 weekly services to Gatwick in the first quarter of 2025. So stay tuned. We will be announcing a date very soon as we start that operation, where we will be able to take you directly from Entebbe to Gatwick 4 times a week. Thank you very much.